First thing on a bowl like me full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile teeth. Everything get fuck when I reach. 16 bun up boy skin. Head tap, bust up and split. Say your bad pussy all run up and see. My brain side corner rotted. Yeah man, on east side, be a chapstick.
Hey boy Junglelist. Hey boy Junglelist. I want you, you know. I want you. You know why I want you? I realize you're a big pussy manipulator. And you don't stop manipulate the people them down in a Barbados. You understand? Me I tell you exactly where you do, car. Me figure it out, you know. The boy them, where they are Jamaica, or the Jamaicans them you use, we want them too. But are you, me want, and me I gonna tell you why. Cause you see you do something when me totally hate, dog. And me I tell you why. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Yo, me I talk about that boy a Junglelist. I want to push out him bumbucklad picture. You see that boy is a big time manipulator. I know say the people in my Barbados see the thing, you know, and no for know what go on, you know. But that boy I want dangerous boy. You understand? Now, me really think about it. Me push out that video and say, yo, me I look for your picture. And then you have somebody come bumbucklad call me and I text me some youth picture. Where you text the youth them picture to me for? And I try set up the youth them. And I that you do, you know. I that a your bumbucklad thing. My youth wanna push out in picture. People they not have to be afraid, you know. It's a new time now, you know, and a new era. You understand? We sick of people like him. We can come in our community, do all sort of thing. Pussy, you make money. You make money, you know. You make money. You bring this, go, you so that, go there, so. But you still have to kill people. Only if you make no money, me no mind the hustling, dog. But my youth, may I tell you why you are one pussy. Yo, him lick down a youth when name Moreman. And right now, me I talk to Moreman brother. Yo, you know say him do it, you know. And Moreman brother, me I talk to. Push out him blood clot picture. Push out Junglelist. OC Rudie picture. Cause him fling with your brother, you know. You understand? And me I go tell you now why me pissed off about it, because that boy from when me hear him go around and I say, boy, the man did a broken him shop and this and that. But the man never did a broken him shop. Me I tell you now exactly what the man did I do.
First thing on a bowl like me full of gun, heavy clip full of crocodile teeth. Everything get fuck when I reach. 16 bun up boy skin. Head tap, bust up and split. Say your bad pussy all run up and see. My brain side corner rotted. Yeah man, on east side, be a chapstick.
You see, Moreman brother, the youth will get licked down. That boy pussy all Junglelist, push out in picture. Go around and say the man did a broken iron blood clot bar and in business place. And in link some man a yard, about 3 man down them years to him link, or 4. And tell the man them rare, and him also tell other people, cause people in a Barbados link me, but them afraid. That's why me I push out back that video, cause people in a Barbados call me, you know. And me talk to them, but them very afraid of this youth, cause them know what him can do. You understand? But when me I try to tell the people them down there, say, listen, You don't have to be afraid of them slime bagger dog. Bumbuckler. Hear what him do? Him set up a notion say the man a broke in a business place. And make it look like the man a do them thing there. But at the end of the day, when me hear from the man them down at Barbados, the youth was a hustler. The youth minding business and the youth a make money. And the reason why him get rid of the youth, cause him sister the youth was a upcoming hustler and a do him thing. And him want to take over the crane. And him want to take over the area. Him no want no man hustle. Him no want no man make no money. And him alone for make the money. And the thing is, when him use people, you understand, him just push them out. And that me I tell you about that boy, you know. My youth, you out there, you hustle, you kill people, and you nah make nobody eat. That a one thing countryman not like. You kill the woman's son. You understand? You do more things too, you know. Cause like me said, the people them know you. But listen. You kill the man. Cause the man a hustle. And you don't want the man make no money. And that you do. The man never did a broke in your place. Cause if him did a broke in your place, you'd have bring police on him cause you work with the police them too. You understand? And you run the thing. Now you hide out in a Long Island, New York. Long Island and Queens border. In a New York. And you have people I send me picture with other people, some young youth, some youth a war, and of them me I talk about. So why you have people I send other people picture? For me push out the man them picture. That show you one pussy. And not for nothing, you know. Not for anything. I mean, I want the Bayesian them feel like me a this them. Me not this, you know. But you see, enough of the Bayesian bad man them not show no love. The Bayesian people them show love. But you see, every Bayesian bad man and stepper with me know. Them a pussy hole. You have one of them him in the 90s, a killer of Jamaican. The boy Rudie, he might use the people them in him community all over New York. The man them in New York, he might use them, you know. Cause for some reason, him link in a New York. He might use, you know. Me just I tell you now. Now the man them in a Jamaica, where him deal with. Cause him have some other set of man where him a deal with too, you know. Him deal with people all about. But want to push out the shot of them. The man them do the thing. You understand? But even though more on them, you know, when me want a Rudie and the man them in a Jamaica where him deal with, him not like, you know. You understand? Him not like, you know, appear bad things him chat about, you know. People hear and tell me back. So the man them in their yard, where Rudie deal with, you think same like, you know, that boy they don't like, you know, adapt me I tell you know. Push out him picture and Europe too. You see him don't want nobody eat no food and him will kill you. If him feel say you do better than him. You's a sociopath and a psychopath, my youth. People, more to the push out that boy Junglelist, OC, Rudie blood clot picture out of Barbados. Cause like me say, couple people link me, you know, but the people them afraid. Want the man in my yard to, you know, Jamaica, you know. But here what? Me I go offer the boy, yeah. Me I go help solve that case, yeah, yo. Cause the boy, Junglelist. You see the thing where you do, are one of the biggest thing me eat. That's why me I come for you. Yeah, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video.